We're here to explore a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. After daily driving the Z Fold 4 for the past 2 years, I was genuinely excited to see what Samsung had in store with this latest iteration. In this video, I'll be sharing thoughts on the Fold 6's design, performance, and features, and comparing it with its predecessor. So, let's get into it. When I first unboxed the Galaxy 6 Fold 6, the first thing that struck me was how much sleeker it felt compared to the Fold 4. I believe Samsung has done a commendable job in refining the design. The Fold 6 is noticeably thinner, and the crease in the main display is much less prominent. This improvement in design is one of the most welcome changes, as it makes the phone feel more polished and less bulky. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 sports a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.3-inch cover display. The cover display is slightly larger than the Fold 5, which I believe enhances the overall usability of the device. The slight increase in pixel count and screen brightness is another upgrade that I find impressive. The Fold 6 boasts up to 2800 nits of brightness on the main screen and 2700 nits on the cover screen, which is a significant improvement from the Fold 4. The Fold 6 maintains the same camera setup as its predecessor, which includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 10MP telephoto lens. While the camera performance is solid, I believe Samsung missed an opportunity to push the envelope in this area. With so many flagship phones offering advanced camera technologies, it would have been nice to see some significant upgrades here. The camera bump mentioned earlier does protect the lenses as well, but I can't help but feel that the design could have been optimized better. I believe that a thicker phone, even if it meant a bigger bump, would have been preferable if it meant better cooling and battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which offers a noticeable performance boost over the previous generation. I've been using the Fold 6 for a few weeks now, and I believe it handles everyday tasks and gaming with ease. The phone supports up to 120 Hz refresh rates on both displays, making for a smooth and responsive experience. One of the standout features of the Fold 6 is the enhanced AI capabilities. Samsung has introduced several AI-driven features that I find intriguing. The Galaxy AI Notes app, for example, offers a variety of tools for enhancing productivity and creativity. You can use it for tasks like drawing and image generation, and I believe these features will appeal to users who enjoy leveraging AI in their daily routines. While I appreciate these advancements, I also believe that the practical impact of these features might vary. For users who don't engage in activities like digital art or note-taking, these AI enhancements might not be a game changer. However, for those who do, I believe they could add significant value to the overall user experience. Battery life is always a critical factor for any smartphone, and the Fold 6 is no exception. I believe the phone's battery life is decent, but not groundbreaking. With a larger camera bump and thinner design, I had hoped for a more substantial battery capacity. The Fold 6's battery life is comparable to the Fold 4, but I believe it could benefit from improvements, especially given the high price point. For average use, the battery life should be sufficient to get through the day. However, if you're a heavy user who frequently uses the phone for gaming or media consumption, you might find yourself reaching for the charger more often than you'd like. One of the things that I've always appreciated about the Fold series is its versatility, and the Fold 6 continues this tradition. The main display offers a spacious canvas for multitasking and media consumption, while the cover display provides quick access to notifications and apps without having to open the phone. I believe Samsung has struck a good balance here, and the usability improvements are noticeable. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a noteworthy evolution of the foldable phone concept. I believe Samsung has made meaningful improvements in design, display technology, and performance. The AI features and enhanced brightness are definite highlights, and the phone offers a premium experience that's hard to match. Ultimately, I believe the decision to upgrade or purchase the Fold 6 will depend on your personal preferences and priorities. If you value cutting-edge technology and are willing to invest in a premium device, the Fold 6 offers a lot to like. However, if you're looking for a more practical or cost-effective option, there might be better alternatives available. Do you prioritize having the latest innovations in mobile technology? If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content.